Do you want to create such an excellent blur background in 1 minute? If yes, then watch this video till end. Here I am shooting one flower for this sample image. First of all, I am getting this much amount of blur with my phone. Currently I am using a Realme X7 Max. After clicking some sample, I am saving it in a gallery. For this editing, I am going to use Snapseed, Picsart and one website. So starting with Snapseed app. I have imported this image in a Snapseed and the first step is healing. Just go on healing option and heal the primary subject in your photo which you don't want to blur. Just pen that and hit OK. It will remove the primary subject from this image. The second step is go on lens blur and select linear blur. Just adjust the settings like blur is equal to 100 and transition is equal to 0. After that, place it on the upper side because we want blur in all the photo. Currently, it looks like a DSLR blur background. Just save it in a gallery. Second step is essential because it will reduce your painting time which you have doing in a Snapseed or Picsart. So search on Google, remove the image background and just upload your original photo. It will take some time and it will give you a PNG image of your original image where you get a transparent background. Just download it. You can sign in and download HD image. Then the third step is open your Picsart app and just go there and import the first image which you have saved from the Snapseed. The second thing is add the photo which you have just downloaded from the Remove BG website. Just place that downloaded image on the blurred image at the correct position. After that, just save this picture. We used Picsart because Snapseed doesn't support PNG image in double exposure. That's why we used Picsart. So just adjust the settings like I am making some fine adjustment to enhance my photo. Now you can see here the blur is realistic. It looks like premium, like we have clicked this image from the DSLR. In this way, you can blur any background with this trick in 1 minute. If you feel this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.